Hello.
Hi.
uh, I haven't really done this, तो मैं थोड़ा नर्वस हूँ. आप can may I ask you to start, please?
Of course, even I've never done this before, but you know how life is so short and we think so much. So I was like, let's just give it a shot. Yeah.
मेरे एक्चुअली दोस्त लेके आए मुझे जबरदस्ती साले. उनका कहना ये है कि एक लड़की ने जख्म दिया तो दूसरी ही मरहम लगाएगी. तो
You're a funny guy. Nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. And what do you like to do? What are your hobbies?
Hobbies, I don't know.
Okay, I'll begin. Okay, we don't have a lot of time, so I just want to get to know you. Just be honest with me, okay? I don't like people half-assing things and just saying lies just to impress me.
Yes.
Because I'm not playing hard to get, but I know what I want. So I love sports. I love doing adventures. I love writing, and I love just being honest.
I love adventures. I love sports.
Don't copy me, okay? Say something original.
I love acting.
Okay.
I also try to perform, but due to my nervousness, I fuck up. Is there some work that you do? I mean, professionally?
Yes, I am into acting and modeling. Funny
Oh.
that you mentioned. Also, I'm doing my MBA.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I don't like to be free a lot.
Okay.
Yeah. But I'm not very much into dating, so I usually let the universe reward me. This is something that I'm trying for the first time. So even I'm a little nervous.
I see you are a bit spiritual as well, talking about the universe and
Yes.
rewarding. Even I am kind of spiritual. I too believe that जब किसी चीज को पूरे दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है.
काफी फिल्मी हो तुम.
Yep.
ये थोड़ा टर्न ऑफ हो सकता है.
कोई बात नहीं.
Let's see.
So professionally, I work a job, a typical 9 to 5 desk job, जहाँ मुझे मेरे मैनेजर पे बहुत गुस्सा आता है. मन करता है उसका मुंह फोड़ दूँ.
Okay.
Yep. But मजदूर.
Okay.
Any past history? Boyfriends, exes?
I don't think I'll share that right now because that's a little personal. But right now I'm single. So also I don't want to like fixate myself on anything. This is just something I'm trying out. So no stress to me also.
And now that you've tried to trust each other blindly, it's time to open your eyes and see if you can still trust without judgment. So turn your chairs to each other.
Angela. केम छो?
Fuck up. I see. कुछ है बोलने को?
बहुत कुछ है. I even tried, but
How? How did you try? I don't have that much time. Think fast.
yeah. I wanted to apologize, but I could not because I had a series of shit going on in my life, one after the other.
फोन नहीं है तुम्हारे पास? गरीबी आ गई है?
हाँ इतनी
तो
की जीबी
बैस्टियन में
की
क्या कर रहे हो?
चप्पल भी नहीं पहने,
एंट्री फीस 5,000 होती है, क्या कर रहे हो इधर?
दोस्तों ने भरी थी।
तो एक मैसेज नहीं छोड़ सकते?
I tried, look, I tried.
What did you try? What did you fucking try? Staying at my place for 2 fucking weeks and then ghosting me. कभी किसी को रहने नहीं दिया मैंने मेरे घर पे. And I did not even fucking know you that much. I think we should
No,
we
I
should
think,
take this outside
yeah.
because we are in a I'm not a social animal or whatever. Continue.
You can sit, please.
You just talk. You don't tell me what to do.
I don't know what to say. I had to take care of my wife. Yeah, I know you. I did not say it out at that time, but
सुट्टा है क्या? मैं फूकती नहीं हूँ बट तुम्हारी बातें ऐसी है कि
मैं भी नहीं भूलता हूँ। छोड़ चुका हूँ सब। So the thing is,
you had a wife
yeah,
and you were cuddling me. क्या चूतिया आदमी होते हो क्या भाई, मतलब आई थिंक जेंडर ही चले जाना चाहिए. आंसर मी. You
Yeah.
stayed at my place. You used everything. When I looked at my kitchen table, I remember how you used to cook for me. रोज मैं सुबह उठती थी तो ग्रीन टी का कप होता था. 2 हफ्ते बाद मैं उठी हूं और वो कप नहीं है वहां पे. You have left without even telling me. You have slept on my couch. अर्बन कंपनी पे कितना खर्चा हुआ है पता है क्लीनिंग करने के लिए, ताकि तेरा एक बाल ना दिखे उधर.
as if you had someone else coming after me.
I have many people. I'm not a fuck all person like you that I hide things, let alone have a wife. You can't just use people, okay?
I did
What
not
was?
actually.
Give me a good reason.
So me and her weren't having things properly. बहुत लड़ाइयाँ हो रही थी हमारी. And she hid it from me that she is terminally ill. I even lost her last month.
I'm sorry for that.
And ever since then, I'm shaken from inside. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to feel. I don't know who to talk to. अगर मेरे चूतिए दोस्त नहीं होते तो मैं यहां भी नहीं होता. Fuck it. Sit.
But that is not an excuse for what you did. मतलब I get it, like you also had problems, I also have problems, but इसका मतलब ये नहीं है ना कि you just ghost on people. मैं
did
अपनी
not-
फैमिली हिस्ट्री अपनी बोलूंगी तो फिर तेको भी ट्रॉमा आएगा.
But I did not want to ghost you.
But you did. That's what matters.
I did not plan it. कि 2 हफ्ते उसके साथ बिताऊंगा फिर ghost करूंगा उसको. I'm not that kind of a person.
What kind of a person are you?
I am scared right now. I don't know what to do. I'm scared of my life. 24/7 I'm living with palpitations. मैं ना ठीक से सो पा रहा हूँ, ना मैं ठीक से खा पा रहा हूँ, ना मैं कुछ काम कर पा रहा हूँ, बस जी रहा हूँ. सुबह उठता हूँ, लॉगिन करता हूँ, रोबोट की तरह काम करता हूँ, बंद करता हूँ,
It's
वापस
you,
पड़े
you,
रहता हूँ.
you. What about me? What about us? What about the time we spent? तेको एंजाइटी हो रही है, तेको ये हो रहा है, मेरे को भी बहुत कुछ होता है भाई. मैं ये रंडी रोना नहीं करती हूँ कि मेरे को ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, इसलिए मैं जाके तेरा घर छोड़ दूँ.
See,
See, I feel like this was a mistake, बहुत एक्सप्लोर कर लिया मैंने लाइफ में, मुझे नहीं चाहिए ये सब.
नहीं नहीं
I am not a fucking doormat you can walk all over again and again, and I do not deserve this shit.
of course you don't.
I don't deserve
listen
to
me.
trust assholes like you, and I don't deserve to bring in people who do not deserve to be in my
No,
life.
listen to me now. Listen to me. See, I know we had spent 2 weeks and मैंने बहुत गलत किया. मैंने गलत किया. I agree to that. Maybe we can have another chance. Can you give me one more chance?
Chance for what? To fuck? To fuck? To fuck?
I'll not leave you this
To
time.
be together?
Yes.
For you to come at my place and fuck all over again?
No.
To do what? To do fucking what? Don't ever fucking show your face again to me.
Listen to me.
I don't want this.
Listen to
I
me.
don't want you in my life. I don't deserve people like you in my life, and I'm done with it. I don't want to know your terminally ill wife, this, that. I remember what you did to me. Yeah? So I feel good mixer. Take care of yourself. But I don't deserve this shit. And please, किसी लड़की के साथ ये वापस मत करना. अगर तू emotionally unavailable आदमी है, तो अकेले गाड़ मरा. किसी और की जाके लाइफ झड़ मत.